How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India?
Delhi.
Nice to meet you.
Huh?
I think have you talked with me
Delhi.
before? Have you talked with me before?
Yes, we talked before. Yes, two times. This is the third time we are talking.
Right. I remember your name and okay, how is going on everything? How are you and how much time do you spend through platform? Tell me. Because we talked each other third time, right?
Right.
Then no need to introduction or anything. You tell how
Yes,
it's
yes.
going on your state in Delhi or how it's going on everything. Tell me.
Everything is going on small only. For today, let's pick a topic. Now, pick any topic you like and we will talk on the topic.
Okay, so nice. Then do you have any topic or what else? Or shall I tell any topic?
You choose any topic.
Okay, what kind of topic do you want to discuss? Any politics, any language, any communication, any geography, historical, or what kind of? Tell me.
I don't like politics, it's kind of topic a lot. Give me some topic of your choice which you want to discuss, I'll pick one.
Okay, so nice. Then we take one topic, means communication, language, right? Then,
Okay.
then we it is a one topic means learner can learn through AI any language. Do you agree? Then why? Or do you don't agree? Then why? Tell me. Any learner, they can learn language through AI. Do you agree or not? If you agree, then why? Or if
Yes,
you don't agree, then why? Tell me.
I agree.
Okay.
And
Hmm.
why I agree because AI can
Hmm.
listen to the words, convert it into English language, and
Mhm.
get the answer from the data and give it back.
Okay.
So that's
Okay, that's why you agree, right?
yes,
Of course, I also
right,
agreed with your point. AI means if you have any kind of query inside your head, if you put, right, if you apply, then definitely he helps you, right? If you change your
right,
query, definitely he give you different answer, right? Then you can learn so many things and you have to change one by one same question but you have to change and you can get so many information through AI, right? And you try to
yes, right,
implement their information or technique and formula on your learning journey, then it is a better, right? That's why in this day
right,
student, they take helps from Google also and they take help from AI also, right? Because they get also
yes,
chance to interact with robot, right? And that kind of robot
right,
always can speak like a native speaker, right? And they feel also good,
yes,
they think I talk with, I mean, I am talking with foreigner, right? They tell this kind.
right,
And if you ask them, do you evaluate my English speaking, they give you suggestion, right? Means AI give
right,
you suggestion where you make mistake and which part do you have to focus, means AI give you
yes,
suggestion. Then this kind of means recycling is a better, because we never get chance to interact with foreigner, right? Because their time
right,
zone is a different, our time zone is a different, and time doesn't support us to interact with them, right? That's why we cannot
right,
get chance to interact with foreigner. Then in this AI era, we can practice with AI, and AI always speak like a native speaker. Their tone, their accent, their everything like a native speaker, right? Then we feel good
right,
if you we talk with AI regularly. Definitely their accent impact our language, right? And we can also try
right,
to to speak like them. And if they ask question, could you repeat once again what you tell, then we think, okay, my pronunciation is not good, and that AI cannot understand what I wanted to tell.
Another actually I'm waiting a call. I will call you. Sorry.